We'll guide you through how to fix can't add a debit card to Apple Wallet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you're wanting to go and add a debit card so you can go and use it with Apple Pay and Apple Wallet, but you're finding you're unable to. So let's go and come into the Wallet app. You should go and see it here, but you can drag down and search it if needed. Then when you come to the top right and I go and press the plus, you can go and see we don't have the option here. So to get started, come into your settings like so. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for general and go and tap there. Now what we need to do is we need to make sure our iPhone's region is set correctly because Apple Pay is only available in certain regions. So if it's set incorrectly, that's why. So you just want to go and make sure that it's set to yours because often it may be set to a region which has not got it. So also if you find your region is set correctly and it's still not working, that's why, because it's not available in your region. But if it's set incorrectly, we can change it and hopefully resolve the problem. So let's come down to language and region, then come down to region, and you can see this is set to India and the feature isn't available there. So let's tap there. And then what you can do is go and search. So I'm in the United Kingdom, so I'm going to search for that and go and tap on it and press change. It's now setting the region. So go and wait. And when it comes back on, it should then go and be set correctly. You can come out of it. And what you need to do is go and find wallet again and tap there. And you can go to the top right and press the plus. And as you can see, we then have the option for debit or credit card. And we can then go and add it.